Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome to another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're camped in the central tablelands of New South Wales and we're going to have a go at making a Japanese classic, ramen with pork belly. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list that you can screenshot for later. First thing we're going to make is the ramen egg. Put some eggs in gently boiling water for 7 minutes. Use a skimmer to make sure the eggs don't crack. After 7 minutes, pull the eggs out and chuck them in an ice bath. Mix together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 5 tablespoons of water. Now peel the eggs and place them in a Ziploc bag. Now pour the mixture that you've just made into the Ziploc bag with the eggs. Now put it in your fridge and forget about it for 2 days. Now let's get started on the pork. First, you want to roll the pork belly and tie it up with string. You may need a friend to help you with this. Once it's tied up, heat up a cast iron skillet and add some vegetable oil. Once that's hot, sear the outside of the pork belly roll until it's all brown and crispy. While that's doing that, pour 1/3 of a cup of cooking sake into a bowl. Now do the same with 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce. Now add 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now put the pork into an oven tray and pour that mixture all over the top of it. Now put the pork in the oven and leave it for 2 to 3 hours on full heat. It's important to know that I preheated the tray and the oven before putting it in. While you're waiting, cut up some seaweed into strips like this. Now take some dried black fungus and put it into a bowl of warm water. You can get this from your local Asian grocery. Now put some water on to boil. I'm using this ramen kit which came from Ichiran ramen in Japan. It comes with everything you need to create an authentic Hakata style ramen. Most importantly, it comes with these soup sachets that make it taste pretty close to the real thing. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy the kit. It's a little bit expensive, but it's definitely worth it. Now it's time to pull the pork out of the oven. It should look a little something like this. Now cut off the string and slice the roll into thin pieces. Now put each bundle of noodles into its own bowl and add water. If you've made 2-minute noodles before, you can definitely do this. Now it's time to add the flavor. Add 1 soup sachet to each bowl of noodles. Make sure to give it a good stir and toss the noodles about too. Now let's add the toppings. Add in the fungus. Add your pork. Put some canned corn on top. And garnish with a bit of spring onion. If you like spice, add in the chili sachet and give it a stir. Garnish with some seaweed, and don't forget the ramen egg that we made earlier. Now go and enjoy your meal and show off to the rest of the campsite that you turned your car into a Japanese restaurant.
And there you have it. Japanese ramen, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar.